Welcome to my channel, where we explore the enchanting realm of Serendell, a land where magic flows like a gentle river and adventure beckons through ancient forests. In the enchanting realm of Serendell, a land where magic flowed like a gentle river and adventure beckoned through ancient forests, a remarkable saga unfolded. It was a tale of bravery, camaraderie, and the enduring quest for wisdom and truth. At the heart of Serendell lay the majestic Serenwood forest, a realm where ancient trees whispered forgotten secrets to those who dared to listen. In this realm, a young and inquisitive elf named Elara resided. With her emerald eyes filled with curiosity, and her chestnut hair kissed by the sun, she possessed a rare gift, a profound connection with the woodland creatures that called Serenwood home. One bright morning, as Elara wandered through the forest, a distressed squirrel approached her. It chattered urgently, its tiny eyes wide with fear. Elara sensed the unease among the creatures and knew that something dark and unsettling was stirring in Serendell. Determined to uncover the source of this disquiet, Elara embarked on a quest for knowledge. She ventured deep into the heart of the forest, where the ancient and wise oak-heart tree stood. Its gnarled branches reached for the sky, and its roots delved deep into the earth, linking it to the very essence of Serendell. With great reverence, Elara approached the oak-heart tree and asked, "O venerable oak-heart, what troubles our beloved Serendell? What darkness looms over our land?" The ancient tree rustled its leaves, its voice like the gentle whispering of leaves in the wind. Long ago, a powerful artifact known as the Crystal of Clarity protected Serendell from darkness and discord. But it has been stolen, and the land has grown weaker without it. You, young elf, must embark on a quest to retrieve the crystal and restore balance to Serendell. Elara accepted this solemn quest with a courageous heart, determined to safeguard her homeland. She ventured beyond the borders of Serenwood forest, crossing into the vast plains of Mirage, where shifting sands concealed hidden dangers. Along her journey, she encountered an eclectic group of companions, a mischievous gnome named Grizzlewick, a wise and reclusive wizard known as Orin, and a gentle giantess named Thalora. Together, they formed an unlikely fellowship bound by a shared purpose to recover the Crystal of Clarity. Their expedition led them through the treacherous misty mountains, where they faced fierce snowstorms and cunning mountain trolls. They traversed the enchanted marshlands, where glowing will-o'-the-wisps led them astray, and ventured into the whispering caves, where mysterious echoes tested their resolve. As they journeyed deeper into the heart of Serendell, they discovered that the thief of the crystal was none other than the malevolent sorcerer, Malachar, who sought to harness its power for nefarious purposes. Engaging in a fierce battle within his enchanted fortress, Elara and her companions confronted Malachar in a climactic showdown. Through bravery, wit, and the unbreakable bonds of friendship forged on their arduous journey, Elara and her companions vanquished Malachar and reclaimed the Crystal of Clarity. Its radiant light pierced the darkness, banishing the encroaching shadows and restoring Serendell to its former glory. The Chronicles of Serendell would forever recount the legend of Elara and her loyal companions. Their tale served as a reminder to all who heard it that, even in the face of darkness, the light of friendship, courage, and wisdom would always prevail in the magical realm of Serendell. Their journey embodied the enduring spirit of unity, resilience, and the quest for truth that would forever define the enchanting land of Serendell. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Chronicles of Serendell. May the light of friendship, courage, and wisdom always guide you on your own adventures.